share, and subscribe.
Meet David, full of energy and always ready to play. But when it came to writing, oh boy, that was a different story. Writing felt like a never-ending battle. Pencils were too heavy, letters were too tricky, and those curves and lines, way too confusing. Every time he tried, frustration took over. Then along came Miss Kristen. She saw the struggle, smiled, and introduced David to a simple secret. Letters weren't as complicated as they seemed. They were just lines, curves, loops, hooks, and little tails. That's it. No magic, no tricky moves, just a few simple strokes, and the letters practically wrote themselves. Suddenly, writing wasn't so scary anymore.
I got it!
With every stroke, David's confidence grew. A little curve here, a small line there, and boom! The letters started forming like pieces of a puzzle coming together. Now, it's time to dive into the world of letter strokes and shapes. Get ready, grab your pencil, and let's turn writing into an exciting adventure. The learning objectives of today's lesson is to help young learners understand that letters are made from lines, curves, and loops. Practice writing lowercase letters step by step, and build confidence in forming letters without frustration. Now, let's begin. Let's start with our first letter, the letter A. First, draw a small circle halfway, then add a straight line down, like a tiny apple with a stem. Now you try it. Draw a small circle halfway, then add a straight line down. Great job! Next we have the letter B. Draw a tall line down, then a small curve to the right, like a stick holding a little belly. Now you try it. Draw a tall line down, then a small curve to the right. B. Let's move to the letter C. Letter C. Start at the top, curve left, and stop before closing the shape. It's like a cookie with a big bite taken out of it. Do you see it? Letter C. Next is the letter D. Begin with a small curve to the left, then draw a tall straight line up and back down. It's that simple. Can you try it? Letter D. You're doing great. Let's move to our next letter. E. Start in the middle, draw a short line, then curve it around. Think of a worm curling up. Looks like the letter E, right? It's your turn. Start in the middle, draw a short line, then curve it around. Letter E. Letter F is next. To write the letter F, first start from the top with a tall left curved stroke down like a hook. Then add a cross line in the middle. Try doing it too. It's fun. Fantastic! Meet the letter G. To write the letter G, first start with a small O shape, then add a tail curving down and left, like a monkey swinging by its tail. Can we try it together? Well done. You're really getting a hang of it. Can you guess our next letter? It's the letter H. To write it, draw a tall straight line, then add a little curve on the right, kind of like a chair ready for a nap. All right, let's try it together. Draw a tall straight line, then add a little curve on the right. Guess what? It's time to meet the letter I. Writing it is super easy. Just a short straight line down and a little dot on top. Kind of like you standing tall with a tiny hat on your head. Can you see it? All right, grab your pencil. Let's give it a try together.
Subscribe now.
Short straight line down and a little dot on top. Amazing!
You were awesome. Thanks for helping David on his adventure to writing letters A to I. But guess what? This is just the beginning. Our alphabet journey isn't over yet. Stay tuned for part 2, where more letters are waiting for us.
If you find this content useful, then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.